Today,
Okay,
guys, we are
let's do it.
doing Monkey Up, and we are doing this with contestants. These are the taggers. They're trying to get us.
Hi.
We've got some people here, and this guy up there. And right,
Yes.
all right, let's go.
Yes, we are.
Come on, let's
I'm
go.
here.
Let's go. Okay, taggers, you are released in 50 seconds. All right. Okay.
What happened if we got tagged?
You become a tagger.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's a bit laggy.
But what happened if we fell?
If you fall, you can
Yeah.
climb back up, but the risk is that you can get tagged by someone. Alright. Okay, let's go.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Here we go.
Okay, taggers are released.
This isn't too good. I don't like this. No, I'm not. I'm not that good. If one of them falls, I'm falling down to tag them. I haven't played
I can hear them
the
discussing.
heck. I have never been.
Okay, come on.
I never been
Okay.
to the heck.
Okay. Okay, how is this gonna work? Okay.
No, how do I do? No, come on, we're just waiting, bro. I'm waiting. You go get him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no, it's icy! No!
I know.
Oh, no.
Can you fall down?
Oh.
So you're gonna pick the. Oh!
No! Okay.
There's only. How do you even get up here?
Okay, so we have to get the other guy. He was up there.
Well, I'm
And
surprised
then
you haven't
once
found
the
it.
guy's tagged, we start again. And we only have 3 rounds. So bro, White, you won this round. Wait, whoever's left,
I'm not
you
white.
won. You won. But whoever wins like 3
I'm about
rounds
to fall down.
wins. And gets to be in like 5 of my videos.
Okay. The heck? No, I fell.
He fell.
I fell.
He fell. Get him.
Okay, tag me. He fell. He fell. Get him. I'm tagging him.
Come on.
Wait.
What the? What the? I tagged you. Okay. Okay.
Help! No, I'm stuck.
Alright, guys. We're starting a new round. Who's the tagger? Okay, so there's 2 taggers, and I choose
Can we do 15 seconds?
White. Right, White stays in because he won. Alright, so I guess.
No, but I have to choose. I have to choose.
Yeah, you choose. You choose.
I choose. You.
Okay, so you are
I
the
choose
you are the
tag
2
him.
taggers.
Tag him, boys.
Tag him. He's one of the taggers now. Alright. So
Okay.
I'm gonna make it even harder. I'm gonna make it to 20 seconds now.
20.
Yeah.
Hey, go now.
Okay,
1,
starting now.
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Wait, Saturn.
We can't let him
Saturn.
get. We can't let that guy. Yeah.
No. So there's like a part here where I. 13.
Oh,
14. I'm so bad.
he fell.
17, 18, 19, 20. Go.
Okay.
I
Okay.
got one. My truck. I'm gonna let them win.
Okay. Come on.
But it isn't fair if you're the tiger every time. Because I've been the tiger for 2 rounds.
All right. If you be the tagger next round, then you don't tag people and you pretend you're not a tagger.
How do you have been tiger for 2 rounds? And
Yeah.
no, I fell. Yeah, because I'm probably not gonna win.
Okay. Oh
I
no.
wouldn't win anyways.
Glitchy hand then.
Oh, you're
Okay.
not gonna climb Gray. I can see that in your mind. No. No. Okay, bro, I'm coming for you.
Okay.
Okay, there's only
Okay,
one
I'm the last one
person
left.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, this is why I got stuck last time.